Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest reviews and in-depth product breakdowns. Today, we're showcasing the best jewelry armoire mirror storage cabinet, a product that combines elegance, storage, and smart design all in one package. Let's dive into what makes this product a standout in its category. This isn't just a jewelry organizer, it's a statement piece. The Best Choice Products LED Mirror Jewelry Cabinet is a tall, lockable unit that mounts easily to your wall or door, instantly transforming any space into your personal dressing area. Installation is a breeze. You get two options. Use the heavy-duty door hooks for a non-permanent solution, or go with the wall brackets for a more fixed setup. Whether it's on the back of your closet door or right beside your vanity, it adapts beautifully to your routine. Open it up, and you're greeted with bright LED lighting around the interior mirror. The lights turn on automatically, giving you a perfectly lit space to apply makeup, pick jewelry, or just check your look before heading out. And that's not even counting the two cubbies, 3 standard shelves, a folding shelf, and a cosmetic tray. Security matters, especially with valuable or sentimental pieces. That's why this cabinet includes a built-in lock, along with a magnet-assisted door that keeps everything safely shut when not in use. It's child-proof and helps prevent accidental access. Function meets fashion with its dual mirror design. A full-length mirror on the outside and a second mirror inside for close-up detailing. Perfect for fine-tuning your accessories or makeup. It measures 14.5 inches in length, 4.5 inches in width, and 42.5 inches in height, supporting up to 25 pounds of storage. It's made from engineered wood and finished in a clean white tone that blends into any modern decor. From busy mornings to glamorous evenings, this armoire helps you stay organized, confident, and clutter-free. It's not just furniture, it's an upgrade to your daily routine. So, if you're looking for an elegant, efficient, and secure way to organize your jewelry and accessories, the Best Choice Products LED Mirror Jewelry Cabinet might just be your new favorite piece of furniture. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product breakdowns every week. See you next time.